As part of that, you talk about giving or receiving feedback.
Yeah.
And I'm curious if you could touch on that a little bit about what a gift it is when somebody does that. And I mean, some people get offended sometimes when they receive feedback, even if it's coming from a place that's good, even if they're trying to improve you. But could you talk a little bit about feedback and maybe how an engineer could approach someone to get feedback?
Yep. To get feedback primarily. I mean, there's obviously two sides of that. So no matter which side of it you're on, I learned from a mentor a number of years ago, and I love it. And, very simple idea is that truth is a gift. Okay. And so when someone is giving you feedback, if we can come at it from that perspective, that they're doing this because they're trying to give me a gift, and they may or may not deliver it in the most kind and gentle way, right?
Yep.
It may come from a frustrating place. Ideally, we would want to, if we're giving, or anyone who is giving feedback, come from a place of like, I'm doing this because I care about you and I want your growth and development. It doesn't always come from there. But if we can receive it to say, this may or may not be 100% true, but what can I see and how can I adapt from this? Because we can't be everything to all people. Harken back to the journaling idea, like, hey, how can we process any feedback that we get with journaling or writing about what we hear or what we need to improve or work on there? We make some plans to do so, right? So just see that when there's feedback there, truth is a gift. And if it's being held back, then we're actually limiting opportunities for people to grow and develop and change.
I love that idea. I think it shows a little bit of humility if you're willing to go out and ask for feedback from somebody. I feel like I've done that a couple times in my life, but definitely could do it more. So if anyone's listening, I think that's definitely a sweet tip.